Hello guys, this is Kimberly. Welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you two shortcut style. This is the first one and this is the second one. These are made of 100% human enrichments Brazilian Remy hair. And the color is dark brown and this color is jet black, number one. And this is how it looks. It has tapered nape, so it gives more natural looking, and little cute things right here. It's not that too much. And this one, a little much hair at the front, and it has volume at the top, so it's very cute. And it has Nape tape. The tapered nape. It's so cute. Okay, let's start to take a look at in details. Ta-da! First one. It has regular cap, an open stretchable cap right here. An adjustable band right here at the nape side. And I'm gonna show you the top. It doesn't look like fake. It looks very natural. And the texture is very soft. And next one. There are a few differences. The two combs at the front side and one comb at the nape side. And it has open breathable cap as well. But it has mesh part at this side. The biggest difference is right here. It has center lace right here. So it looks like your skin scalp. It doesn't look like fake. It's very light. So it gives more air circulation. So I recommend for person who do not like lace front. These are the regular wigs, so it's easier to wear. Okay, it's time to wrap up. See you soon. Bye.